Meeting journals have become increasingly popular as essential tools for organizing and managing business meetings. They provide a structured way for participants to record important details, making them especially useful for those who may not have extensive experience in taking meeting minutes. A good meeting journal should include at least 7 critical components for documenting meetings: date and time, participants, organizer details, agenda summary, actions from discussions, responsible individuals for tasks, and due dates for follow-up. 3 meeting journals stand out as top picks for their functionality and features. 1. Connect Meeting Minutes Journal. The Connect Meeting Minutes Journal is considered one of the most comprehensive on the market. It includes features such as an index for easy reference to past meetings, a ribbon for marking pages, and a dedicated section for tracking action items. The journal's layout allows users to quickly locate ongoing tasks and track their progress. With 296 pages and a well-organized format, it's ideal for professionals who need to manage meetings efficiently over an extended period. Additionally, the Habit Tracker feature makes it a versatile tool for tracking daily, weekly, and monthly meetings. 2. SNO Large Meeting Notebook. The SNO Large Meeting Notebook is a practical spiral-bound option designed for ease of use. It includes essential features such as date, time, attendees, agenda, notes, and actions, with additional dotted line sections for creative customization. With 208 pages, it's suited for professionals who may not have frequent meetings but still want a reliable way to document important details. The elastic closure and sturdy design add to its appeal. 3. Olden Meeting Notebook. The Olden Meeting Notebook is another valuable option for those looking for a simple yet effective meeting journal. Its 160 pages offer space for standard meeting details, including an action item section with checkboxes for completed tasks. Available in multiple colors, it's a good fit for professionals who need a straightforward system to track meetings. Ultimately, the best meeting journal depends on individual needs, including the frequency of meetings and the level of detail required. The Connect Meeting Minutes Journal stands out for its comprehensive features, making it the top recommendation for those who want a highly organized and efficient meeting tracking tool.